Welcome to the Critical Thinking Strategy for Unit 5. The strategy for this unit is ranking. Ranking is a useful skill when we need to make a decision. We can also use it to analyze information or data. To rank means to put things in order according to certain criteria or qualities. Look at the dictionary definitions of the words rank and criterion. A criterion is a standard that you use when you make a decision about someone or something. The plural of criterion is criteria. When ranking, you decide what criteria to use. For example, you can rank things according to cost, size, or importance. In order to rank items on a list, you first have to choose the criteria. For example, imagine that you want to eat dinner at a restaurant, and you want something cheap. You could rank the restaurants in order of average meal cost. Here are 4 restaurants ranked in order of price from low, $1 sign, to high, $3 signs. Abby's Eats is the least expensive restaurant. But wait, maybe you don't want an expensive restaurant, but you do want the best meal you can afford. Here are the same restaurants ranked by reviews of the food. The more stars a restaurant has, the better the food is. You can also compare the rankings, as in this chart. Abby's Eats is cheap, but it has the worst food. Bob's Bistro is a little more expensive, but it got 3 stars for the food. Take a second to look at the 2 columns. Which restaurant looks like the best place now? That's right, Bob's Bistro seems to have become the winner. Now, let's practice. Let's look at another example of ranking and decision-making. Imagine that your company needs to buy new computers. Each employee will have the same computer. You're one of the people deciding what to buy. Which 2 items on this list would probably not be the best criteria to use? Yes, I'm sure you said video games and color. For a business tool, the color is unimportant, and video games would not be included. So these are not useful criteria to consider in this situation. Here's a chart comparing 3 possible computers. The criteria are price, free tech support, memory, and screen size. Now, let's rank the computers using these criteria. We will give each computer a number for each criterion from worst, number 1, to best, number 3. How might you complete the chart? Now, look at the completed chart. How can you decide which computer to buy for the office? One way might be to just add up the numbers in each column and give each computer a score. Try it now. Which computer has the highest score? Yes, computer B has the highest score, 9 points. But does this mean you should buy computer B? Not necessarily. The chart ranks each feature equally. In real life, some features might be more important than others. For example, in a business, price is often more important than screen size. The chart is a good starting point for a discussion. It presents all the information in a clear format. Ranking can be helpful when you have to make a decision or analyze data. It helps you to see all parts of a problem more clearly. Thanks for listening.